What is the difference between a holographic will and a formal will? Have you ever wondered about the differences between a holographic will and a formal will? Understanding these two types of wills is important for effective estate planning and ensuring your wishes are honored. Let's break it down. A holographic will is a will that is completely handwritten and signed by the individual making the will, known as the testator. In many places, it does not requiring witnesses or notarization to be valid. This means you can write it yourself, which can be helpful in urgent situations. However, the entire document must be in the testator's handwriting, including the signature and the main provisions, like who gets what. On the other hand, a formal will, also known as a witnessed will, is usually typed or printed. This type of will must be signed by the testator in front of at least 2 witnesses. These witnesses also need to sign the document. Some states may requiring notarization as well. This formal process helps ensure that the will is authentic and can reduce disputes during the probate process. When it comes to legal validity, a holographic will is accepted in some states but not all. In states where it is recognized, strict criteria apply. For example, the entire will must be in the testator's handwriting, and it must be signed. Courts may requiring proof of the handwriting if the will is contested. In contrast, a formal will is universally recognized and generally easier to validate in probate court due to the formal witnessing and notarization. Another aspect to consider is the risk of ambiguity. Holographic wills can often be vague because they lack the legal language that a formal will typically has. This can lead to misunderstandings among heirs and complications in the probate process. Formal wills are usually drafted or reviewed by an attorney, which helps minimize ambiguity and potential conflicts. Practical considerations also play a role. Holographic wills are often used in emergencies when a testator cannot access legal assistance. They are less expensive but come with risks, such as potential invalidity or misinterpretation. Formal wills are recommended for comprehensive estate planning, ensuring that everything is clear and legally compliant. From the perspective of elder law and estate planning, while a holographic will can serve as a valid document in certain situations, it is generally advisable to use a formal will. This ensures that the testator's intentions are clearly expressed and legally enforceable. Formal wills provide stronger protection for the estate and beneficiaries by following established legal protocols and reducing the risk of challenges during probate.